going on, everybody? Here's a sneak peek on what we'll be learning today. So welcome, I'm Jim from Grassroots Piano. If you just clicked on this video first time, thank you. If you like my content, please hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Helps the channel out and all the channels. What we're going to do today is talk about this arpeggio pattern, and it spreads the hands out. So if you're a new learner, this could be tricky, so I'll warn you. I have other videos that will work you up to this step. Let's take a look at the right hand. We're going to play the right hand like this. Here are the notes, and we're playing the first inversion, 4-finger on this A, and then I'm using my 5-finger on that C. And this is a good exercise, opens up that hand a bit and gets it spread out and works on the strength here. So like this, just get comfortable playing that back and forth, nice and easy. Make sure that your wrist is relaxed. The left hand, our old classic root, fifth, and then back to the octave. So it sounds like this. 1. You can think that you're in 6, so it covers the whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can tell I have some notes here. A few viewers mentioned about, I wasn't sure exactly what they were talking about, but notes. Honestly, if you need the notes for this exercise might be a bit tricky, but you can use them if you need to. But the sooner you get off of this, the easier it will be just to name the notes as they are. Once you get this down, just get comfortable playing each note comfortably, even volume, back and forth. Get a little faster as long as you're not tightening up. Slow it back down, getting the blood flow going. And then just relax. Sometimes I like to shake my hands out or do wrist twirls. The next chord, we go to E minor. So that's the pattern on the left, root, fifth, root, and then we start on this G. So that's a little tricky. G, 2-finger on B, 4-finger on the E, 5-finger on G. Play that back and forth, nice and slow. Listen to your sound. The next transition is fairly easy because we're going up to F, adding a little hope. The sound has a little major quality there. Right hand we have A, 2-finger on C, F, and then A. And I just added that in there because that's what I wanted. D minor. And we'll go through the whole thing slowly. Just showing you the notes, practicing it slowly. Just dim it. Sometimes the best way to teach is just to go through it slowly. Don't want to overthink. And yes, if you're brand new, use the pedal sparingly, but you can use it on every measure. And you can add a few things, which we'll talk about in a second. I want to just play through it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Going back down. 4. Get ready for the switch to the E. To the F. If you are getting quality out of this lesson, could you please hit the like button? Thank you. To the D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the A. And if you can get this and you're comfortable, just keep it at this. Let your brain digest it. We're always worried about getting faster. Worry about making music. Enjoy your time. Enjoy making the sound. F. I like to do this exercise because in my right hand I have duplicans contracture. It's the stiffening of the tissue of the 4th and 5th finger. It's hereditary. It sucks, but it's manageable. And that really helps. I don't know if you can see it on camera. but there's a big bump here. I didn't plan on sharing about this, but I am, because as I'm playing slowly, it feels good. So if you're over 45, I'm 53, but if you can, if you got issues and if you play slowly and soft, it really keeps your hands going, and that's the beauty of piano playing and instrument playing. It's ongoing. I'm just going to play it one more time, maybe a little faster, and then show another pattern if you're still around, just a little jam out. But let me know if you like this, because I have some other ideas coming up. All right, so I'll go a little faster. Play with me if you like. 2, 3, 1, 2. Pedal and pedal. Now, this one is extra credit. I'm playing the chords together. This one, and then I kind of do an echo. Let's see, I'm going to do one together. I got it. So it's kind of a nice undulating effect, and then you can add in dynamics. Play with the dynamics. That left hand can be pretty heavy down low, so be careful of that. I hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun playing it. Hopefully I went slow enough, but you know what? Let me know. Just tell me. Reach out. I'm here for you guys. Please take care and happy practicing, and hit the thumbs up button, because I might do another arpeggio video quite soon. Bye for now.